5-minute mindfulness meditation practice for beginners. This meditation practice is a 5-minute breathing exercise that will guide you by focusing on your breath. This will help your mind to be more focused and improve your attention span. This practice is geared for those of you who are beginners and are just learning how to meditate. Listen to this guided meditation for at least 7 days. When you are just learning to meditate, it is helpful to keep your sessions brief, allowing you to maintain focus. As you become more comfortable, you will gradually be able to increase the length of your practice. Let's begin. Find a relaxed, comfortable position. You can be seated on the floor or on a chair. Keep your back upright, but not tight. Close your eyes and listen to my voice. Notice your body. Let yourself relax and be aware of your body. Start from the top of your head into your face. Do you feel any tension? Notice your eyes, your eyebrows, your mouth, your cheeks. Let any tightness relax. Notice your neck and your shoulders. You can move your head side to side. Let go of any stress that you may be feeling there. Scan down to your chest, your arms, your hands, and your belly. Feel your back and your hips. Notice any tightness you feel there. Let it go. Let it relax. Relax your muscles. Feel the tension melt away from your body. Feel the stress flow through your legs, down, through your feet and your toes. Tune into your breath. Breathe in and out several times. Let your breath come naturally. Feel the air entering and exiting your body. Count the number of seconds it takes you to breathe in. Then count your exhales as well. Notice where you feel your breath in your body. Feel the breath entering your nose or your mouth. Do you feel the air in your chest, your abdomen? Notice when one breath ends and the next one begins. Concentrate on your breath for a few minutes. Notice that your mind may begin to wander. As you begin to realize thoughts coming into your mind, acknowledge it and then allow it to pass. Return your attention back to your meditation. Gently direct your thoughts back to your breath and back to the sensation of breathing. You may count your breath. Inhale and exhale. 1. Inhale and exhale. 2. Continue to do this in silence. And let go of any judgment in this practice. Just be comfortable in the stillness of your breath. As we come to the end of this practice, we begin to notice the sensations in our body and become aware of the room around us. Start to wiggle your toes, noticing your feet connected to the floor. Feel yourself sitting on your chair. Feel the temperature in the room. Is it cold or warm? Now, offer yourself some appreciation for doing this practice today. Take 3 cleansing breaths. And now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute mindfulness practice. Do this practice for 7 days and you will begin to feel more comfortable and focused doing this exercise. Thank you for watching this guided meditation exercise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, and subscribe to my channel for more meditation, affirmation, and relaxation videos. Have a great day.